Hey friends, it is me Stace. Welcome back to the Friday PIP, which is our Pinterest inspired project. As you can see today, we are in the kitchen. We are making no-bake oatmeal peanut butter energy bars. I will have the full recipe on my blog and I will have that listed below. So simple ingredients, it calls for old-fashioned oats, peanut butter. It called for mini chocolate chips. I didn't have those, so I just used the regular size, honey, cinnamon, and vanilla. So it tells us to add everything into a bowl. And you want to have the peanut butter melted as well as the honey. Okay, so that one's good. Then we have our honey, our cinnamon, and our vanilla. And it did say if it's too thick to add more honey. Just going to get all that combined, and then once I have this combined, I'm going to add the chocolate chips. And it called for a quarter cup of the mini chocolate chips. I didn't have that, so I just used I used a heaping quarter cup of the regular size chocolate chips. And I think we're going to need a little bit more honey. You want it to kind of, I'm guessing, stay together. I think it might be okay. We'll try it. And you want to let this sit in the fridge. And I have my 8x8 pan ready. Yeah, place in the fridge until ready to eat. Alright, so I have my 8x8 baking dish. I just lined it with parchment paper and put some clips on the side to kind of keep that in place. And we're going to pour this in here. And you want to press this into your pan. I'm actually going to go to my little rubber spatula here. Might be a little bit easier. Alright. You can also use a measuring scoop if you want to. Or your hands. I think I'm going to spray this because it's sticking to that. You want to try to get it into an even layer. That way we can cut it into bars. Yeah, it works much better if you spray your rubber spatula. Alright, so I think we're pretty even there. Hopefully you guys can see that, right? So we're going to place this in the fridge, probably about 2 hours or so, and I will come back and give it a taste, and I'll let you guys know what I think of it. So I'll see you soon. All right, friends, I am back to taste the oatmeal peanut butter energy bars. I thought I filmed on my tripod. I did not, so I brought them in here so I could share with you what they look like, the texture, and also give them a taste. Spoiler alert, I already tasted them, and they're pretty good. All right, so I'm going to lift one up so I can show you the texture of them. See all the oatmeal in there? I don't really see the peanut butter in it. I guess it kind of just incorporated. All right, here we go. So they're crunchy, they're chewy, they're really good. I taste the oats, I taste the peanut butter, I taste the chocolate chips. I don't really taste the honey or the cinnamon too much. They are really good. Now, one little tip for you when you are mixing them together, if you see mine, okay, like that one down there has a lot of chocolate, this one has chocolate, this one over here hardly has any chocolate. You really want to mix those chocolate chips into the mixture. That way you don't have half the pan like I did that has more chocolate than the other. You can also make them into balls if you want to. For me, I just thought the bars were easier. Just kind of put it in a pan, press it, and you're good to go. I do think spraying your rubber spatula with a nonstick spray does help press that down. You can use a measuring cup. I've used those before. Just you want to get it in a nice even layer. They were in my fridge about an hour and a half. I don't know if they need to be refrigerated or not afterwards. I wouldn't imagine so. There's nothing dairy in here. I just think it's nice just for like a little quick me up or quick pick me up kind of snack. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you try them, leave me a comment below. Also go to my blog. I will have that link below as well. Go there. You'll see the full recipe and the pin or the woman who inspired this recipe as well. Any questions, my friends, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.